couldn't wait to show you my new Merchant & Mills Scout dress. I just finished it last night and I still have to finish the tie, but I hemmed it, I did the buttonholes and added these very sweet aqua buttons from the button department, and I wanted to wear it today to show you. So I'm so happy with how it turned out. This was a 5-week class that we did online, and the versions that everyone was making were so inspiring. So many really cool ginghams and plaids and checks, and people were doing such fun pattern matching and bias cut details. So I'm very excited to see everyone's finished projects from class. But my version is in the Merchant & Mills Sea Holly linen, which is one of their very new linens for this season, and it's so pretty with the greens, the orange, and then the pink mixed in. I did pattern matching with the check across the side seams, so there's that on both side seams. I did a bias cut placket, so just sort of cut on the bias. I had originally done the pockets cut on the bias, and I just didn't like having that X. It just looked like a little bit of an X right there. So I recut and did a perfectly pattern matched pocket. And so I've just got one of them on right now. The other one, I didn't do a very good match. Something went a little bit awry. So I just have to recut another pattern match pocket and do that. And I also did the yoke cut on the bias, which I love that detail. And then my cuffs for these really nice sleeve length. It just hits right above the elbow with a cute little pleat and button detail in the back. I love the sleeves on this so much. And I really like the length. So I left it quite long. I think they have you fold it up a little bit more, but I love to keep everything sort of as long as possible. So I'm really happy with the length of it, and it's got side seam pockets built in, which is really nice. And then I am making the tie, so I just need to finish doing all the hand sewing for the tie, but it's gonna be a very cute, complete outfit when it's done, I guess inspired by scouting uniforms. I made a size 6, which is the size that I always make in Merchant & Mills, and I wasn't too sure if I was going to need to do anything with the volume, but actually I think it drapes really nicely. So I'm happy with that. I'm not gonna do my little twill tape trick, which I was sort of thought I might have to do for this dress. I think the only thing that I was thinking of that I might do differently or that I might change was just the little inverted pleat here. I don't know, it's not my favorite detail. So I was thinking that, well, I wondered if maybe I would stitch it down a little bit. I just think that it looks, especially with the linen, it just doesn't hang as nicely. So that's the only thing, but I think otherwise super in love with my scout dress. I love it. Definitely some challenging moments, but a very fun result, and I will definitely be wearing this quite a bit. As soon as I finish the tie this weekend, I'll pop back and show you the complete outfit with the dress and the tie. It's going to be so cute. And I'll also try to share some more detailed photos so you can see all of the really, really, really cute details up close. They're very sweet. Love it.